Netaji Subhas Utsav inspires new generation. Vijay. Nachika and Narangi Dei felicitated. The uniqueness of Netaji Subhas Utsav, organized by Utkala Vikas Yuva Parishad, will inspire the young generation to carry on the messages of national heroes in the present scenario, senior leader Vijay Mahapatra expressed. Mahapatra was the chief guest at the 12th Netaji Subhas Utsav, Jai Hind 2026, dedicated to freedom fighter Parvati Giri and Netaji's trusted Abid Hassan Safrani, who was the lone companion during his voyage from Germany to Japan by sea after escaping from India. Netaji's grandnephew Abhijit Bose and Safrani's grandson-in-law Sajid Mohammad were the guests at the function. Parishad advisor Devi Prasad Prusti chaired the function. Sri Mahapatra appealed to the 300-odd youth gathering coming from different districts of Odisha and outside Odisha to oppose the wrong deeds of the government and work for the interest of the downtrodden, helpless, suppressed and oppressed masses to realize the dreams of Netaji and other martyrs. He stressed the need to organize such programs at different places of the state to spread the messages of national heroes for whose sacrifices we are enjoying a free nation today. Sir Abhijit Bose told that although we have a political independent country, we have not yet achieved economic freedom. Youth must come together to demolish the barriers of caste, religion, region, and language which pose a potential threat and divide us. Netaji believed that the whole countrymen are his family members, which means today's India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh citizens belong to Netaji's family. Sajid Mohammad cited the dangerous sea journey of Subhas Chandra and appealed to work for women empowerment in real sense, as dreamt by Netaji and his political and military mentors Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das and Mahanayak Raj Bihari Bose. Those who try to make barriers between Gandhi and Subhas should know that Netaji was the first who addressed Gandhiji as the father of nation. Sri Mahapatra felicitated tribal leader Nachika Linga and jailed woman leader Narangi Dei Majhi with the Netaji Subhas Rashtriya Samman. Parishad organized colorful programs in Cuttack and Puri. Surya Kanta, Akhil Nayak, Abhinash Mishra, Prabhash Mahapatra, Manoranjan Nayak, Era Padiyami, Duryodhan Putta, Ras Bihari Sau, Ganga Bhai, Sagarika, Manas Tupti, Gangi Rawa, Pragya, Siddheswari, Suranjan and Prasanna Sethi coordinated. Thank you.